Alright, so everybody, this is Kev with Nighthawk Motors, and today I'm actually going to be talking about the daytime running lights. So anybody with a 2016 to 2017 Honda Accord will know that, or most of you will know, if you're anywhere on the forums or anywhere on the know on these cars, you'll know that people have been having issues with the daytime running lights. And apparently there's this really long civil suit going on against Honda for a while to get these things warranted, because Honda didn't want to warranty them, and the actual headlight assembly, which you would have to replace, was like $1,200. And you know, my brother's got a 2016 Honda Accord Sport. His went out, and they tried telling him it was going to cost him $1,200, and he just left it. And recently, maybe like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I got a notice in the mail from Honda saying the headlights assembly and everything in there as far as daytime running lights are going to be warranted for 10 years from the date of purchase of the vehicle. So that means if you purchased your car 3 years ago, you'll have 7 years of warranty left on those lights, which is great. You know, that's the way it should be. If a company has a known problem with their car, they got to take care of their customers. I mean, you can't have your daytime running lights go out like that on a car like this, especially like $1,200. Let's think about this for a second. If I was going to purchase a Honda, right? You're going to purchase a Honda. The idea of it is to have it be very reliable and not to have it cost you an arm and a leg if something does go wrong. That's why I purchased it, just because I wanted to be able to save money easily and not have any hassle of things breaking, because it's supposed to be reliable. And so far, at 26,000 miles, it has been reliable. I do not have the daytime running light issue, but others aren't so lucky. And like, they really need to warranty their vehicles they make, you know, especially if they have a reputation like Honda does. If that's the way it was going to go, and I knew Honda was going to be expensive to maintain, I'll just go out and buy a BMW or a Mercedes and deal with the expensive repairs on it, because at least you're driving around like a top-tier car that performs very well, looks really good, and sounds great, and everything like that, you know. Not to say the Honda doesn't sound good and look good as well, but you know, they're different categories, the two. But yeah, it sounds like they're actually warrantying this, and there's a bulletin put up on, I think it's like us.gov or something. I'll take a picture of it real quick and throw it up there and leave a link in the description of the channel so you guys can check it out. So if you ever do go to a dealership and they don't want to warranty these things for you, you can show them that bulletin, and they shouldn't give you an issue with that. But yeah, like, apparently this has been going on for ever since this came out, and Honda didn't want to deal with it. They basically told people like, oh yeah, we're not going to warranty that. Not going to warranty it, or you know, if the warranty ran out, they weren't going to warranty it. And I don't know how it works if you get into an accident and they replace the lights. I guess it would depend. Maybe if you buy the assembly from them, they get replaced. Those same assemblies will come with like an additional warranty on them, which they should, if they are the defective parts from, you know, the manufacturers that were manufacturing the actual lights for Honda. They should all come with warranties now, just because it's a known issue. Nobody should be getting like screwed out of money because of this. Because let's be honest here, like, some people are strapped for cash, and to have something like that break on your car, I mean, yeah, you can get away without it, but I'm not sure how some states' legislature is as far as daytime running lights, and you know, if you can pass inspection with broken daytime running lights. I know New Jersey's pretty strict about that stuff, but other states like Florida and everything, I don't think they really care. But it's just, you know, a little food for thought for everybody out there. And I will post in the description the actual daytime running lights little thing I found on the internet, and I'm not going to post any pictures of, you know, the document I got from them unless it doesn't have any personal information on it. So yeah, it's just a short little video for you guys. If you weren't aware of the daytime running light issue with the Honda Accord 2016, 2017, you are now aware. And if you ever do have an issue with it, you should be able to take it to your dealership within 10 years of purchase and have them replace it without even an issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little piece of information. If you already knew about it, thanks for hanging around to the end of the video. And I'd appreciate it if you would leave a comment if yours went out, or you know somebody's daytime running lights that went out. And as always, like and subscribe, and have a great day, everybody. Thank you.